This animation shows the extent of tidal flooding in the River Thames in the event of an extreme flood without the protection of defences. Defences in London include the Thames Barrier, protective river walls and embankments. When a trough of low pressure moves down the North Sea, the sea beneath it rises above the normal level, thus creating a hump of water which moves with the depression. A surge occurs when this mass of water coming from the deep part of the ocean reaches the shallow southern part of the North Sea. The height of the surge may be further increased by strong northerly winds. The flood extents shown indicate the area that could be affected by the surge described. Many of London's famous and historic landmarks fall inside these extents, such as the Dome, Canary Wharf, Tower Bridge, the Tower of London, City Hall, the Globe Theatre, the Tate Modern, Cleopatra's Needle, the London Eye, the Houses of Parliament, Battersea Power Station. In addition, a significant proportion of London's key infrastructure systems, city commerce and approximately 350,000 properties are also at risk from tidal flooding.